Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this 12-pack of Shopkins. Besides Shopkins, we get Shopkins bags, basket, and 2 hidden surprises. Time to open this package. So right here we have 10 adorable Shopkins, 4 shopping bags, a Shopkin basket, and inside we have 2 surprises. First we're gonna open the surprises. Here we have Freezy Peasy, and this is Polly Polish. Let's take a closer look at all the other ones. Here's Swiss Miss, Chapley, Cheesy, Yoshi, Wobbles, and Apple Blossom, Lollipoppins, Peppa Pepper, Licorice, and the last one is Coolie. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Shopkins right here on Disney Collector.